Today we're talking all things Weight Watchers Freestyle and why I decided to leave. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Danielle. I hope you guys are having a great day. I know this title has probably taken some of you by surprise, and I guess I should explain myself. So if you guys are new here, hello, my name is Danielle, and I have been documenting my journey on Weight Watchers Freestyle for the last almost 15 weeks. And I never said anything bad about it. I went from previously being on the keto way of eating to now transitioning to Weight Watchers. And I've lost roughly anywhere between, I'm about between 10 and 15 pounds in those 15 weeks. It's not even 15, I would say probably closer to 13. And I've decided to take a break from Weight Watchers Freestyle. And many of you are probably like, why Danielle, you're always talking about, you know, how happy you are. I am happy with the Weight Watchers community. I think it's a really awesome community to be a part of. I think the whole idea behind Weight Watchers Freestyle and Weight Watchers in general is super wonderful. After doing a lot of research, I really feel like it's just not working for me. I don't know if I'm not doing the program right or what the problem is, but I've been watching a lot of people's journeys. I really watch all you guys on like Weight Watchers Connect and stuff like that, and you guys are doing awesome. And I'm like, what am I doing wrong? Because some weeks I'll do like a 0.6, a 0.5, and then the next week I'll gain 2.5 pounds. And I'm like, what the hell did I do? And then I had watched a video. I want to say her name is Diva in the Divine, something like that. And she said that Weight Watchers Freestyle was more for maintenance. And the light bulb went off. 150% I agree with that notion. It is definitely more of a maintenance program. And I'm not saying for a lot of women they are doing wonderful and they are losing lots of weight on here, and I applaud you guys. But just because it's working for you, it's not working for me, and it's not working for a lot of people that I watch and I know. My best friend included, you know, we've started this journey together, and she's struggling just as hard as I am. So what have I decided to do? I did not cancel my Weight Watchers membership. I am still active. But what I am doing is, after reading a lot of comments and being in, you know, communication with a lot of my followers and viewers, I've decided to go ahead and upload the program ITRACKBITES, and I will leave all this information down below. And on that app, it gives you the option of choosing, I think it's like 4 Weight Watcher programs. Years ago, when me and Leo got married, I joined Weight Watchers, and I was doing the Points Plus program. I did wonderful. I was super successful on that, and at that time I was never working out. I was not nearly as strict on my eating. I was 25. I think, you know, I just didn't think that any of those would be an issue for me. So I just kind of watched what I ate, counted my points. At this time, this is before apps and all that stuff, guys. We're taking it back. And I just wrote stuff down in a little journal that I had, and I used to carry the little calculator with me, and that's how I did it. And I was very, very successful. I want to say I lost, gosh, I think about like 40, 50 pounds. I did really great on it. So what I decided to do was go ahead and do that program. It's not called Weight Watchers Points Plus, I think probably for, you know, copywriting reasons. It's called like Bites Plus, I think. And you go ahead, you enter in, just like how you used to do at Weight Watchers, your weight, your height, if you're breastfeeding, your male or female, and your activity level, and your goal weight. So my goal weight is about 165 pounds. Currently, I'm anywhere between 180, 183. So I went ahead and like I said, I signed up and, or, you know, uploaded and put all my stuff in, and I downloaded the app. I downloaded this app at like 5 o'clock in the morning, like when I was getting ready to leave. Like that morning I had work and I was kind of still asleep, and for some reason I chose an option and I paid for I know there's a free option. I don't know why I paid the $35 for it, but it's $35 a year, which is cheaper than the $19.95 I'm paying a month for Weight Watchers right now. So as of right now, I've invested $70 into Weight Watchers. So what do I have to lose at this point is kind of my thought. So I'm going to go ahead. I am doing the Points Plus program, and I am going to do it for 2 weeks. I'm going to do it for 2 weeks, and then I'm still going to continue my Saturday weigh-ins, but it's going to go ahead and it's going to be on the Points Plus program just to see if maybe it's me or maybe it's the program, or I just kind of need to figure it out, because at this point on Weight Watchers Freestyle, I am double tracking. I am not only tracking on the Weight Watchers app, but I'm also using MyFitnessPal. And for me to be weightlifting, and when I say that, someone says, oh, weightlifting makes weight loss trickier. I 100% agree with you, because muscle mass does way more. But I can also tell you this, I should still see a weight loss if I'm in a caloric deficit, which I am. So there's something wrong. And if the scale isn't moving and I'm doing my 100% best in the gym, then it's in the kitchen is the problem. So that's where I'm attacking right now. And that's my advice to you guys. If you guys are killing your workouts and the scale isn't moving, or you're noticing there's no really results, it's in the kitchen. You cannot outwork a bad diet. So I know my workouts are awesome. I know I'm doing everything I can there. So now I need to fix the kitchen part. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So for the next couple weeks, I am still going to do the weigh-in updates, but they're going to be on the Point Plus program. I'm going to do a couple what I eat in the day videos, because guys, I was totally blown away when I made my breakfast this morning, and my breakfast is usually 4 points. I have the same breakfast every day. It was 8 points on Points Plus. On Points Plus, I don't think you get a lot of freebies with fruit and stuff like that. That works for me, because as you guys know, me and fruit I just can't help myself. And that's a problem on my own. So my best friend isn't doing the Points Plus. She's doing the one before Freestyle. She likes that program because she likes the free fruits and stuff like that. So she's going to do that. But I'll also let you guys know how she goes. She's actually double tracking this week to see how it's going for her. And I'm kind of excited. It's something different, something new, and I know I was successful on it previously, so I'm hoping that I can see a difference and a change. Also, if this works and I see a great result, then I can share that with you guys, because who really has 20 bucks to spare every month for something that's not working? And if Weight Watchers was working, I wouldn't care to spend the money. But I work hard for my money, guys, and even $20 to some people may not be a lot, but guess what? If I seen $20 on the floor, I would stop and pick it up. So I'm not throwing away any little cents or pennies or nothing. I work hard for my money, and I like to keep it for myself. I don't like to waste. I'm not a wasteful person. So, in the next couple weeks, I'm going to be doing a lot of what I eat in a day videos. I'm also going to be doing some hauls, some grocery hauls, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to label everything not only with the Smart Points, but also with the Points Plus, so you guys can kind of see the difference. And at the end of the 2 weeks, I'm going to do it for the full 2 weeks. So I'm going to do it all this week and all next week, and then probably midweek the following week, I'm going to go ahead and probably just pop in here and do like an update video and my decision. I realize that some people have a larger amount of weight more to lose than I do. I'm probably about 15-20 pounds away from my overall goal. And yeah, these last 20 pounds are always the hardest, and I know all these things. And when you have a larger amount of weight to lose, you lose it faster. Especially if you were never used to eating healthier and stuff like that. But I feel like at this point in the game, I should see lots more results. People are like, oh, Danielle, we could totally see it, your body's, the way my body's kind of shaping into being, that's 100% due to weightlifting and exercise. But I'm still the same amount of weight. I'm just shaping the amount of weight I have with weights. So, like I said, I really would like to be, you know, that 165, 170. I would generally like to be 165 for summer, so then I could have, you know, that good 5 pounds to play with, you know, for summer activities. I hope this doesn't discourage anybody from, you know, their Weight Watchers journey or their weight loss journey, but I hope it just shows you guys that, you know, we all have issues, and it's all a trial and error type thing with weight loss. No weight loss plan is one size fits all. And that's something that I really want to let you guys know. Everybody thinks like, oh, Danielle, you know, you're doing so good, you work out. I still struggle, guys. I'm still struggling. As much as I try to stay positive for every weigh-in, and I try to keep positive for myself to keep going, it still really kills me that I know that I watch everything I put in my mouth. I mean, talking about seasonings, I talk about beverages. I mean, there is not one thing that I consume that I do not account for. So why am I not losing on this diet is my issue. So I'm putting the effort in, so I'm going to go ahead and see. So I'm sorry if some of you guys are kind of pissed off at me about this. I hope, you know, we could still be friends. But this is real life, guys. And, you know, if freestyle works for you, you do you, boo. Because I got to do me. This is in the long run. We got to do what works for us. So, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried any of the previous Weight Watchers programs and felt you were more successful on them? Or do you think like, hey, I think Weight Watchers Freestyle is the best one that they've came out with, and I wouldn't change a thing? Let me know. And I know a lot of people are saying, oh, Danielle, it's probably portion control. Even for free foods. I don't account for anything as free anymore. Even for chicken, I weigh out my food. I weigh out a 4-ounce portion. So I'm very, because I had thought that was the issue too. So I don't know what the problem is. I don't know, and I'm trying to figure it out. So I'm just going to cross my fingers and hope this is it. And yeah. So let me know, guys, down below, what do you think? If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Danielle, and I do a little bit of everything, from Weight Watchers to cleaning to fashion to DIYs to everything. I touch on everything that is everything in your everyday life. So I hope you would stick around and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, please make sure that you get that notification, you hit that notification bell, so to let you know when I upload a video. I know YouTube's been kind of playing games with people, and it's not letting people know when they put up videos. So in order for that not to happen to you, hit that notification bell. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I will check in with you later on this week. Look out for, like I said, some Eat With Me, some grocery hauls, and all those things. But alright, guys, I love you guys, and I hope that you are kicking this week's butt. And I know this video is a little bit out of the ordinary from what I usually do at the beginning of the week, but I just wanted to let my friends know what is going on. Alright, guys, I will check in with you later. Take it easy.